Pull! Oh! Ooh! Yeah! Woohoo!
Hello everyone, my name is Olivia Dian Ayulia Sinorat. Here I will discuss a Jakarta LRT project or Jakarta Integrated Rail Line, Velodrome Kelapa Gading Road to fulfill the English course assignment. Infrastructure, name and location. Name Jakarta Light Rail Transit or LRT Corridor 1 Velodrome Kelapa Gading. Location Jakarta, Indonesia. The road runs from the Velodrome in Rawamangun to Kelapa Gading, North Jakarta. Project objective and importance. The main objective of the Jakarta LRT project is to facilitate public mobility and help overcome congestion in the capital city. The project also plays an important role in improving the efficiency of public transportation in Jakarta, providing a fast and comfortable uh, alternative mode transportation for residents with a short uh, travel time of around 5 minutes between Velodrome and Kelapa Gading. The LRT is expected to reduce and dependence on private vehicles and reduce air pollution level due to facial emissions. And then main technical specification. The first line like approximately 5,8 kilometer. Number of station 6 station or velodrome equestrian Pulau Mas Boulevard Utara, Boulevard Selatan, Pegangsaan 2. The and then main technical specification. The first line like approximately 5,8 kilometers. And then number of station 6 station or velodrome equestrian Pulau Mas Boulevard Utara, Boulevard Selatan, Pegangsaan 2. The third design type using elevated railing to avoid level crossings and traffic congestion on land. The fourth material. The main structure use reinforced concrete for viaduct or elevated tracks and steel from for station roof uh, frames, and the rail material is most likely standard railway steel. The fifth signaling system actually use a modern communication-based signaling system or communication-based train counter or CBTC to ensure safety and operational efficiency. The sixth electrical system use electricity from the third rail or overhead catenary to drive the train. And the seven trains generally use trains with a fairly large passenger capacity designed for comfort and speed in urban areas. And construction process or technique. There are 4 processes. The first stage starting with land execution if necessary, and followed by construction of pile foundation, erection of pillars, installation of viaduct beam segments, construction of station, installation of rail systems, signaling and electricity, and operational trials. The second, equipment, involving heavy equipment such as cranes to lift concrete or steel segments, building equipment for foundation, material transport truck, and various other construction equipment. The third, duration. Construction of the Jakarta LRT project for the Velodrome Kelapa Gading corridor began around 2016 and was successfully completed to support the 2018 Asian Games, showing a relatively fast duration for a large-scale infrastructure project. And let's challenge. Challenge that might be faced include land limitation in then urban areas, heavy traffic during construction, coordination with various parties, and ensuring the quality and safety of the structure. 10 stakeholders involved. The first, government. DKI Jakarta Provincial Government as the project owner and regulator. The Ministry Transportation also plays a role in regulation and licensing. The second, main contractor, PT Wijaya Karya or Persero, Tbk or Wika, is one of the main contractor involved in the construction of this project. The third, consultants, construction, planning, and supervisory consultants or civil engineers, architects, etc., who ensure that the design and implementation are in accordance with standard. The fourth, investor. Project financing often involves BUMN such as PT Jakpro or Jakarta Propertindo as the developer. The last, community, as end use and parties directly or indirectly affected by the project. Environmental. Positive reduces greenhouse gas emissions from private vehicles by providing a more efficient public transportation alternative, thus contributing to improving air quality in Jakarta. Negative or temporary increased noise and dust pollution during construction and potential traffic disruption around the development area. And then social impacts. Positive increased accessibility and mobility of the community, reduces travel time, and has the potential to encourage economic growth around the station. Negative, or if any, potential eviction or relocation of residents if the line or station pass through these settlements or although affected lines minimize this and chance to urban planning in the area around the station. And then current status. Jakarta LRT Corridor 1 or Velodrome Kelapa Gading has been completed and fully operational since 2019. This is the line that serves the community on a daily basis. In my opinion, our construction on the project, the Jakarta LRT Corridor 1 project is a significant step forward in Jakarta's efforts to improve its public transportation system, its speed and efficiency in connecting to important areas of Jakarta has provided uh, real benefits to the community in reducing travel times and reducing congestion. Although uh, there, were, there we are challenged during construction. Its success in full operation demonstrates the government's commitments to providing modern transportation solutions. However, there is a potential for the network to be expanded to other areas of Jakarta to maximize its benefits and further integrate with other modes of transportation such as Transjakarta and KRL. Um, overall, overall, uh, this and this project is a positive example of how investment in public infrastructure can improve people's quality of life and support sustainable urban development. Bye. Okay, that's all my explanation about Jakarta LRT project or Jakarta Integrated Rail Velodrome Kelapa Gading Road. Maybe there are some things that are wrong. Please forgive me because perfection only belongs to the one above. Well, before closing, I want to make a rhyme first. Fry the fish while eating the noodles. Don't fry a little at a time. That's all for our presentation. Hopefully you get a good grade. And one more again. Kyla is eating, also perched on a branch. Thank you for attention. Sorry for the mistakes. Bye.